Okay, we need to use the given set of numbers to find the new set, and I accidentally didn't include this. Okay, it was A or B. This is the set we're looking for. So there's our union sign. So use the given set below to find the new set. Enter each number separated by a comma. If there are no numbers in the resulting set, you can leave the answer blank. Or I might even, if that's the case, I might even just put it like this if there were no answers. But okay, so A or B means any number in either set. Okay, so if the number is in A, it's included. If it's in B, it's included. We don't want to write numbers twice. So I can see, just looking through, it looks like I have 2 ones. So I'm just going to cross that one out because I have 2 of them. And it looks like that's my only repeat. I want to write them from least to greatest. So let's start with -9. I'm going to cross that out so I know that's gone. We'll do -8 next. -2, 0, 1, 8, 9, and 10. So let's make sure we got them. 1, 8, 9, 10. So those are all the numbers in the set. Okay, so that's A or B. What if it asked us to find the intersection, A and B? One way that I help keep this straight is this looks like an N to me, and I know that AND has an N in it. So AND is going to be the intersection. So when it's AND, it means only numbers that are in both sets. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's just delete this. Oh, oops, I chose the wrong one. Okay, sorry about that. So intersection, we want only numbers that are in both sets. So -9 is not in both sets. 0, we kind of looked at that before, and 1 is the only number that's in both sets. So the intersection, the only one is going to be 1. Okay, so there's the OR and the AND. So remember, OR is just anything in either set, and has to be in both sets. Another way to look at this is like a Venn diagram. Okay, so if this is A, this is B, 1 would be here. A would have -9, 0, 1, 8, 10. B has -8. Oh, oops, I wrote the 1 twice. I shouldn't have written that twice. -8, -2. The 1 is here, and the 9. Okay, so the OR is the ones, it can be any of the numbers in this whole Venn diagram. Okay, that's our OR. And then our AND, our intersection, is only right here in the middle. Okay, so hopefully that helps either the visual with the Venn diagram, but if it's not making sense, please reach out and I can help.